Okay, let's make our paper sculpture. This is the base of your sculpture. It's called the base. Everyone say base. Good. On the base of your sculpture, I need you to write your name. Everyone say, write your name. Then you're going to turn it over so we don't glue on our name. Okay. You are going to have all these fun strips of paper. We need to make feet on these papers so they can stand up. If you didn't have feet, I don't think you could stand up. So these need feet too, because if I just go like this, that's not a sculpture, it's flat. We want it popping up. We want it 3D. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my paper and I'm gonna fold a little foot like this. See the little foot? There's one foot, and then I have to do it on the other side. I'm gonna fold, and I'm gonna make another little foot. Now, that's still, it's not standing up. We want it to pop up like this, okay? So what I have to do is on the bottom of my feet, I have to put glue. I can't put glue here, that's not the bottom. I have to make sure I put glue on the bottom. Everyone say glue on the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glue and I'm gonna put some glue here. You can't see because the glue's white, but trust me, it's there. And I'm gonna put some glue here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out where I wanna put it on my paper. I think I'm gonna do it on the side, on the edge right here. And I have to press and rub for 5. Let's do one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this one, I want you to count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I have this cool 3D sculpture. Okay, so I'm gonna do my next one. Now remember, the first thing I have to do is make some feet. So I'm gonna fold. There's one foot. And I'm gonna fold. There's another foot. Now I need to glue. Make sure you put enough glue on. If you don't put enough glue on, it's not gonna stick. I like to do kind of like 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna put this one right next to it. So it's kind of like a tunnel. Press and hold for 5. Help me count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can even see that on this one. Let me try and get it so you can see. This is the tricky part, trying to make it so you can see. Okay, I'm gonna press there and I'm gonna count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's do something fancy. Maybe on this one, I'll make it coming off here. Maybe I'll go like this. So I'm building on top. What's the first thing I need to do? Make feet. 1 foot. 2 feet. What's the next thing I need to do? Glue. 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 Okay. Now I'm gonna put it on top of this one here, and I need to press really tight. Get it on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm gonna bring it back down to my black paper, the base, and I'm gonna count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one's kind of popping off, so I have to make sure I tell it to stick. Stick, paper, stick. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some different things you can do with the paper. You can take your pencil, and this is kind of tricky. You might have to practice a couple times. You put it right against the pencil like this, and you wrap it around the pencil. You wrap the hole, you keep twirling, keep twirling, keep twirling, keep twirling until you get to the very end. And then you have this super fun curly paper. And so I think this, I'm gonna put, I don't know, maybe I'll put it like right here at the edge, like that. Now, I still have to make a foot. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it. Every single piece of paper has to have a foot. This one just has one foot though. I'm gonna make sure I put enough glue on there. And I'm gonna press and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have this fun curly Q hanging off the side of my paper. You can also do an accordion fold. Everyone say accordion, fold. Okay, all you do is you fold the paper forward, backward. Help me say that. Forward, backward. Forward, backward. Forward, backward. Forward, and that's all I have room for. And then you have this fun, they call it an accordion fold because it looks like an accordion, like this, that instrument. Okay, so now I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna put it on top of this because it kind of looks like a star, almost like a star on top of a Christmas tree. So I'm gonna put some glue. I already have feet because when I was doing the accordion fold, I made feet already. So I'm gonna do one here, press and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna do this one here. Press and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have like that fun, it's kind of like a star. So you can make curlies, you can make stars, you can make regulars, use your imagination, make whatever you want.